We are demonstrating Docutite on a flange, but it can be used on any bolting application. Let's take a look at how Docutite works. The controller's torque choice management software makes the torque process fast and easy. Completing your torque jobs with Docutite consists of 3 simple parts. Set up your job by inputting your torque requirements. Torque your bolts or studs. Print 1 or more job-completed labels. To turn on the Docutite system, choose a power source by rotating the power switch to run on either AC or on the rechargeable battery. To set up Docutite, simply follow the on-screen prompts to input 3 basic requirements: the final goal torque, the total number of bolts, and the number of passes. The first prompt is for your final goal torque. Scroll up or down until the value is displayed. We will use 200 foot-pounds. Press the center OK button. Next, scroll to the number of bolts, in this case 8. Press OK. To finish the job setup, scroll to the number of passes required. We'll use 4 passes for this demonstration. Press OK, and we're ready to begin. Using the standard recommended star pattern sequence for the first 3 passes, followed by the last pass in a circular fashion, we can ensure proper bolt lineup and even contact of the flange sealing surfaces. Throughout the job, the controller screen displays the current bolt and pass number. As we are just beginning, we're on the first of 4 passes and the first of 8 bolts. Also, notice that torque choice has calculated the goal torque for this pass based on the previously input final goal torque and the total number of passes. In this case, on pass 1, the goal torque is 60 foot-pounds. To torque each bolt, we simply hold the trigger until the impact stops and the green lights in the front of the tool light up. This indicates that the bolt has been tightened to the required torque for the current pass. The first pass will tighten the bolts 30%, or 60 foot-pounds. The second, 60%, or 120 foot-pounds. The third, 90%, or 180 foot-pounds. And the fourth and final pass reaches the goal torque of 200 foot-pounds. Following the last pass, the flange is properly torqued to specification, and the controller screen prompts to print a job completion label. On the self-adhesive label, you can see that on all 8 bolts, we achieved the final target torque of 200 foot-pounds. This label could be affixed to a tag and hung on the flange to show that the job has been completed successfully and that the torque specs have been met. Any number of duplicate labels may be printed and placed on the work order or other internal document for plant logs and accountability. Docutite provides for safer, faster, and more accurate torque jobs, as well as detailed documentation of their completion. Call TSR at 225-752-4000 or 800-375-4021 or email Don Fritchie at donfrit@bellsouth.net. That's DONFRIT @bellsouth.net for an on-site demonstration.